Hey, what's up guys? It's Modern Made Easy here, back with another video, and today we're going to be building a Python calculator. This is my second time recording this video, as the first time my file corrupted, so excuse me if I'm a bit annoyed. So, open up your PyCharm, open up your Replit, and let's get a rocking and a rolling. Building a calculator in Python, and this is what we're going to name this one. So, what does a calculator do? A calculator adds, minus, subtracts, divides, it does a lot of things. It square roots, but for the sake of this video, we're just going to add, subtract, divide, and times. So, how do we do that? First, a calculator needs a number to work with. So, let's give a number variable. So, let's call it number1. So, num1. And what is number1 going to equal? Well, number 1 is going to equal what the user makes it equal, so the input. And we're just going to ask the user, enter a number. Okay, so you want to, just a very easy print statement. So num1 equals input, enter a number. But this is a number, and numbers can have decimals, so what does that mean? What type of variable are we going to use? A string, an integer, a float, or a boolean? We're going to use a float. Now we need an operator. Are we going to plus, minus, subtract, divide, times? We're going to see. So, operator equals input, enter an operator. So basically, we're just saying, we're asking the user to please enter an operator. Now, we need a second number. So we're going to do the same thing we did up here for num1, except for now we're going to do it with num2. So just copy paste that, change it to num2, and instead of enter a number, do enter another number. So I'll give you guys a second to catch up while I take a sip of my water. Alright. So now we have our numbers, num1, num2, and we have our operator. So now we need to say, okay, if our operator equals plus, minus, divide, times, what are we going to do with that? So if operator equals plus, okay, then what are we going to do? So if the operator equals plus, we're going to print num1 plus num2. Makes sense, right? But, Teddy, what if the operator equals minus? Okay, little Timmy, well, then we'll do num1 minus num2. So that's what we'll print. We'll print num1 plus num2. But modern. What if the operator equals times? If operator equals times, print num1 times num2. But modern, what if the operator is division? Okay, if your operator equals division, print num1 divided by num2. Makes sense, right? But what happens if our user doesn't give a plus, a minus, a times, or a divide? What do we do then? Well, then else print invalid operator. So now let's run our code. Enter a number, 2 plus 4.7. But, see, we're having a problem here. It's putting invalid operator even after the 6.7. And, to be 100% honest with you, I'm not sure why. But, let's try to fix it. So now we could say if operator does not equal plus, comma, minus. Actually, sorry, I think does not equal is this. I think it's the other way around. I think I made a mistake here. I think if operator does not equal plus, comma, minus, comma, times, comma, divide, print invalid operator. So now this should work, because we're saying if our operator doesn't equal plus, minus, times, or divide, then we'll print an invalid operator. So enter a number, 2 plus 4.7, 6.7. See? Enter a number, 8, but now let's use an odd operator, semicolon 9, invalid operator. Okay, so, So, now let's try it with divide. 2 divided by 3, 0.666. 4 times 9.7, 38.8. So, now you have a working and running calculator. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. I'm sorry if there are some technical difficulties. I'll work on it for the next time. Let me know what you want to see. I think our next video will probably be building a window with Python. So basically, something pops up and, on your screen, and you can make it whatever you want. So you'll see that. It'll definitely be a lot of fun. Thank you guys for watching the video. Let me know if you want to see anything in the comments. I'll catch you guys next time. It's been a pleasure.